Okay, to install SyncTerm in Ubuntu 24.04, open a terminal and type in these commands. I'll have them in the description. Then the wget command. We're going to type tar-zxvf and the name of the file that was downloaded. Next, cd into the name of the folder that was created. Next, we're going to cd into src/SyncTerm. Next, type make. Okay, when that's done, we're going to enter sudo make install. Okay, when that's done, you can start SyncTerm from your menu. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.